Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and today I'm gonna fly the UMX Pitts by E-flite. Man, I just love this little airplane. It reminds me of one of my most favorite full-scale airplanes, the Pitts. I just love this airplane. Hopefully you guys enjoy the flight. Let's get this thing in the air. All right, guys, as always, I do have safe on and in high rates. We are going to take off into the wind. Right now it's coming from that way, but just a second ago it was coming out of the north. Oh my goodness, it could be tricky, but let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. Okay, it was not climbing too good and safe. Let's get it out of safe. There we go. This airplane can go nice and fast. It is a 3S airplane, or I have 3S in there. It can fly on 2S2, I think, but I have the 3S battery that they sold with the JST plug on it. You can see it is doing really good. We have, I don't know, it's probably 7-8 mile an hour wind right now. And it's doing really good. I'm trying not to get too far away, but kind of wanted to get it down through here. My favorite pass. Carry some speed through that turn. If you guys watched one of my recent videos with the Valiant, I did a bunch of upside down or inverted flying. We're not going to do that with this airplane, but I think it can fly upside down. There we go, upside down. It's wanting to climb just a little bit. So let's get it turned around here, upright. A little bit of fixing there on that. So I might have the trim off just a little bit, and that might be why it had trouble taking off. Or I got the battery too far up in the nose, who knows. I haven't quite done it, and I think I've said it before, but I noticed somebody else did it and mark exactly where the battery flies best in these planes with a little marker or Sharpie or something. And then you get the battery in the right spot every time, and I just need to get better at that. Woo! It almost hit me. Super close. The wind just picked up. You laugh about it with these little airplanes, but you don't want to do that with a big airplane. Don't want to get too close with a big airplane. There, the wind's picking up. Let's turn this around. It wasn't stalling over the way I was expecting. A buddy of mine, Dasherly Dave on the channel, often flies one of these himself, and he was just telling me how he had to fix his. He had a slight collision, I guess, with one of our other friends. I definitely think that my rudder is turning to the left just a little bit. I'm going to do a little trim just to see if it straightens it up just a little bit. I'm flying about half throttle, and that's probably about right. You know, with flying the 3S versus the 2S, you expect to have a little more room in the throttle. If I was flying 2S, I'd probably be almost full throttle most of the time, especially in this wind, trying to keep it in control. I'll bring it around here into the wind and do a loop. circle back out. I don't know about, yeah, I guess it does do a knife edge. Pretty good. Somebody commented in the video the other day that when I was doing a lot of knife edge about controlling the distance away from you. And if you turn your knife edge so that the wing is towards you like this, you can control it by push and pull with the elevator. So if the airplane's too close to you, you push on the elevator, which is the same as down, right? And then if it's going away from you, you pull the plane towards you, which is the same as up on the elevator. So I like that, and I'll be practicing that, and it makes a lot of sense in my brain when I'm doing it. So I got a feeling that from now on, I'm gonna do a little better on that. Now my timer just went off saying flight time is up. So we're gonna line this up for landing the best I can. I think it needs to come in kind of like that. And we'll set it down over here. We'll just bring it back around one more time. Get it a little more in front of me. Here we go. Keep that throttle going. I'll take that. Perfect. Let's see if I can turn it around. The wind is let up just a little bit. Love this little airplane. It's such a nice scale looking micro airplane. I just love flying this thing. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed the flight today. I love flying the UMX Pitts by E-flite. It is such a fun little airplane, especially if you're flying on a 3S battery. Got all kinds of power, and I can't say enough stuff about this airplane. I can't believe I haven't had it out flying lately. It's been quite a while, and I keep saying that about my airplanes. I just got too many in the hangar right now to keep them all flying, and it's fun when I go to events and I take a bunch with me, but when I'm trying to do a flight or two every day, it gets kind of hard to get the rotation done. So hopefully you guys haven't been waiting on this one too long, and you enjoyed the flight today. Big thanks to the Lord for a beautiful, beautiful day. The temperature right now is, I think it's in the 70s. It feels great out here. I feel like I should put on some short sleeve shirt. And anyhow, hopefully you guys enjoyed the flight. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.